So, 4 months ago, I put 2 coats of turtle wax hybrid ceramic coating on this van here when it got into Australia from Japan. And since then, I've washed it twice, just using the cheapest, nastiest, over-the-counter car wash you can get, and the tried and tested 1 bucket method, just with a wash mitt. Yesterday, I did 800 kilometers in this, down south to a forest, and then, well, I just drove it through the forest. So there was a lot of dirt and dust because it's really hot and dry here at the moment. It's summer. And so, as you can see, it's hard to see on a white car, but as you can see, there is a lot of just red earth buildup throughout it. And the trouble now is, I don't have a house anymore, so I live in an apartment in the city now, and so I can't just put it in the driveway and give it a wash like I normally would, or with any other car. And that means I have to use the self-service car wash, which I'm not a big fan of. I don't use the brushes or anything because it scratches the hell out of the cars. But I'd use the water blaster, and I was thinking I'd put it through one of those touchless car washes as well. I want to use the water blaster and just see how much beading there still is after 4 months of the ceramic coating being on, and then I'll put it in through the touchless car wash after the water blaster. There was nothing that really challenged this thing yesterday. It was just simple driving. So the car wash was really busy. I just went there and I realized that I forgot to film the before because I'm new to this stuff, and I thought I'd come back here and show you what the car looks like covered in dirt, and then we'll go and water blast it. After we water blast it, I'll put it through the automatic car wash, and then I've got to vacuum it as well. And then once I get back home to the apartment, go all the way upstairs, get some glass cleaning 303 interior white, and come down and wipe the insides as well because it's a bit tacky. We had the aircon running the whole time we were there driving down, just because it was so hot. Even in the forest, you know, you've got tall timbers all around you. It's a little bit cooler, but it is still stifling hot. Well, it was yesterday. And then you can't really enjoy the ambience down there because if you're out of the car for more than, say, 30 seconds, the flies find you. And that's no fun, you know, swatting flies. You've seen me in other videos. The flies in Australia, unlike anywhere else, they could drive, you know, a man who's just won the lottery to suicide within like half an hour if you just left him outside, because it's just they're so relentless. They just don't give in. Alright, here's the car wash. We're gonna give it a shot now. Still pretty busy. So I'm not planning on water blasting the whole car clean or anything. I just want to see how the water beads and get the bulk of the dirt off. Let's grab some coins. A couple of bucks should do it, I think. Let's get to blasting.
empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights. Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
So, I'm wearing my flip-flops and I nearly slipped a few times. I think it's fair to say that there is still plenty of ceramic coating left on this car. I don't know how well you would be able to see it, but look, I've waxed my cars always. I've used all the different types of wax there is, all the different brands out there. A lot of them claim to last 6 months to a year. I haven't been past 2 weeks with water beading stopping on my waxes, you know. They all seem to just stop beading. Nothing sort of flies off like it just did with the ceramic coating on this car. So I am really impressed. 4 months plus a couple of washes in between and getting it really dirty, and it had rained, so I'm well impressed. This says 2.1 meters, and I've been able to get into undercover garages that are 2.1 meters, so hopefully this doesn't hit the roof. This is the underbody wash. So what I'll do is I'll just speed this up. You can definitely still tell that there's a ton of ceramic still on here. Even on the sunroof glass, it's just beading up everywhere. Complete water beading on all the glass, and same as all the painted panels. See that? Instant beading. Instant beading. I'm good to go. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go near my house on the way back, and I'll show you what the results were from getting it washed. See if there's any bits of dirt still left on the car, which I highly doubt, seeing how it's just beating off everything. And it's definitely the ceramic. It's not the touchless car wash. It's definitely the ceramic that's done the work for the car wash. Alright, so car's all washed and I'm near my house. Did vacuum it. I gotta get some floor mats. So I'm near my house. If you're worried about how I'm parked, don't worry, it's an abandoned car park. Not for long, they're probably gonna build something here soon. No doubt some more apartments or skyscrapers. Alright, so the van, wow, that automatic car wash has done a great job. Like I said before, it's not the automatic car wash, it's the ceramic coating underneath. And even now, like, the water's still beading. It's not completely dry. And the van's completely clean. There is not a spot of red earth or dust that I can find on it. Even the wheels, because the wheels have one coat of ceramic on them. And the inside barrels as well. But yeah, there's no dirt anywhere. Normally, when you go to an automatic car wash, there'll be like bits of dirt around places like this, where it kind of sticks to the paint, and even if you water blast it and stuff, it doesn't come off. So I am impressed. Not with the automatic car wash, but I am impressed with Turtle Wax's hybrid ceramic coating. Aha! So now that it's dried a bit, I can see bits of dirt. Not bad. It's mainly like water stains, water spots from the dirt, but they just brush off really easily. So they are obviously sitting on top of the ceramic and not the actual glass itself. But yeah, there's like little bits of dirt that just... Oh, okay. because this is here and that seal is wet, it means that it's just excess water that's come from the back, from the roof all the way back, seeped down while I was driving, and then carried some hidden dirt out with it that's also gone down the back, which is not a big deal. I mean, for someone who lives in an apartment now, like, I can live with that. That's fine. This is not a show car. So yeah, I wonder if it still feels slick. Yep, still feels really smooth. You know how you wax a car, you just like put a coating on it and then you rub it with the back of your hand and it feels so slick? Still feels good. So as always, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys around. Bye.